환영합니다. 네, 네. And everybody, ayan, let's say hi to Jihun. Everybody, welcome to the 2025 Chu Ji-hoon Asia Tour fan meeting. The show is called Juniverse. My name is Emma. I'm very happy to be part of this Juniverse as well. I know that you've all been waiting for this moment for very long, right? If you've been counting the days to see Chu Ji-hoon in the flesh, can we make some noise together? Oh my gosh. And can we show him how much we love him with our loudest applause and cheers? The loudest. Okay, so obviously we're thrilled that you're here. Would you like to start by officially like greeting everyone? You know, obviously all your fans are here to see you today.
아, 네. 오늘 만나서 너무 반갑고요. 그런 시간이 됐으면 좋겠습니다.
I'm so happy to meet you all tonight, and I hope you have a wonderful time together.
It's already wonderful. Okay, all right. You know, I love the energy, guys. Let's keep this up. I'm very excited for today's show. Okay, keep it up. Why don't we go have a seat? And you know, we have so much to talk about. We want to know everything about you. Okay. Okay. First of all, congratulations are in order because I'm sure you guys know our Ji-hoon won 2 major Best Actor awards, right? This was at the Paeksang Arts Awards and the Blue Dragon Series Awards. Palakpakan natin siya. We are so proud. Oh my goodness. So at the Paeksang Awards though, you know, you ended your acceptance speech with the unforgettable words, do you know? I love you so much, sabi niya. Sabi niya, I love you so much. So I thought maybe, you know, we can have the fans say it to you naman this time. They can say it back to you because you said it during the acceptance speech. Are you guys ready? Okay, on 3, I love you so much. 1, 2, 3.
I love you so much too.
Okay. On that note, all right. We, you know, have a few segments that we prepared. Once again, we want to know everything about you. We're just getting started. So let's get to our first segment. This is part 1 of Juniverse, and our first segment is called JuTube. Oh, cute. Okay, JuTube. Let's go, guys. Come on. Okay, JuTube is a segment where we talk about a few selected topics from a variety of interesting keywords, okay? So let's take a look at what they are. Please show us the keywords, please, for JuTube. Ayan. All right, there are so many keywords to choose from. So we're gonna choose maybe 3 of them. And the first keyword is, let's go to something that maybe, you know, we're all interested in. Of course, food is something that we all are interested in talking about. So our first keyword is Mokjihun. Mokjihun, all right. Okay, let's start with some light questions. Jihun, have you ever visited the Philippines before?
네, 있어요.
Yes, I have.
You have? Okay. Your first fan meeting in the Philippines, but you've been to the Philippines before. Okay, so since our keyword is Mokjihun, have you tried any Filipino food?
저는 여행 오면 그냥 그 현지 시장을 자주 잘 가거나 그래서 다 먹어봤어요.
Whenever I go travel to a new country, I visit the local markets as well, so I've tried local food a lot.
You mean you blended in sa palengke? Like I find what I find that hard to believe. Oh my goodness. Okay. Is there a particular dish that comes to mind for you? Maybe you have a favorite one.
이름 정확한 그 이름 기억 안 나는데 볶음밥 그리고 뭐 닭고기 덮밥 그리고 아까 빙수 같은 거 먹었어요. 맛있었어.
So I don't remember the exact name of the dish, but I remember eating some kind of fried rice and also having chicken with rice. And I also tried some pigosu or ice-shaped dessert a while ago.
돼지 족발 튀긴 거?
And I also tried, fried pig foot.
Oh!
Purple ice cream!
Crispy pata.
Purple ice
Crispy
cream!
pata. Yes, yes.
그 피파타? 그거.
Okay. Crispy pang cute niya. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. I know you're all thinking that. Okay, please. Okay. All right. I love that you remember the words. And again, I'm not trying to like check you out or anything. I'm really not. Okay. Pero napansin ko lang ha na your body, like you're getting really toned. Diba? But parang he's getting toned and muscular.
Go, sige pa!
Is there anything that you're eating, to kind of maintain this physique? What are you eating these days?
요즘에 그냥
Bulalo.
똑같이 먹는데 고기를 조금 더 많이 먹어요.
I still maintain my usual diet, but I think I eat a lot more meat.
Oh.
Ba't kami
지금
tumakas?
찍고 있는 게 조금 약간 이런 모습이어야 돼가지고 거기에 맞춰서 운동 조금 더 하고 먹는 거 중에서 고기 비중을 좀 더 높이고 있는 것 같아요.
Since the character that I'm going through right now is asking me to have this more defined body, I think I'm eating a lot more meat and also working out more often.
Sige, pagpatuloy mo yan.
Show!
Okay. Okay. I heard though that you've been cooking since elementary school, right? So Chef Jihoon, is there maybe a recipe that you would like to share with your fans here, or maybe a favorite
It's a
flavor
frying
combo
pan.
of yours, or maybe a Korean food recommendation? Once our fans visit Korea, you want them to try.
요즘에 좀 자주 제가 얼마 전에도 체코에 한 달 정도 촬영 갔다 왔는데 거기서도 자주 해 먹었던 게 한국에서 이제 냉수육이라 그래요.
So recently I went to Czech Republic and I stayed there for around a month for a shoot, and I've eaten this very often there, and it's called the cold bata.
그거를 돼지고기를 뭐 앞다리살이나 뭐 삼겹살 같은 거를 센 불에 한 10분에서 15분 정도 끓이시다가 불을 끄고 한 50분 정도 놔두면 있거든요. 그거를 꺼내서 물기 닦고 랩으로 싸서 냉장고에 4시간 이상 넣어놓은 다음에 꺼내서 되게 얇게 써셔가지고 그 양념장이 있어요. 근데 그거는 뭐 한국 냉수육 이렇게 검색해 보시면 그 양념장 만드는 거 나와 있거든요. 간단한데 그게 되게 맛있어요.
Good luck.
So the usual dish for this cold bata is we would buy front leg or back leg of a pig, buy the pork, bring it home, boil it for around 10 minutes and leave it there for around 50 minutes. And then after that, we bring it out of the pot, wipe down the water, and we put it inside the refrigerator and let it cool for around 4 to 5 hours. And after that, we bring it out, then thinly slice it and enjoy it with some sauce. And if you're really curious about what sauce we eat it with, you can search it on the internet about the Korean cold bata.
Oh, pero siya na-impress na sa translation, diba?
Galing.
Galing.
Man,
But,
menu pala.
wow, that's really chefy, no? That recipe. And we love a man that can cook! Oh my gosh.
Hindi ka magugutom.
Okay, that's too much. Too much. All right. So that was our first keyword, which was Mokjihun. Let's move on to our next keyword. Let's go to
YouTube.
Tagal Jihun. Tagal Jihun. Okay. So I'm sure you guys are, kind of putting two and two together. And our fans, a lot of them study Korean diligently. How many of you guys are studying Korean? Oh, diba?
Marami.
Because you want to understand better, you want to communicate, with your favorite artists, of course with Chu Ji-hoon today. So in return, we're gonna have you speak a little bit of Tagalog, okay, for your Filipino fans. Do you know any Tagalog words? Anything that comes to mind for you at this time?
Mahal kita.
오늘 필리핀 저 왔을 때 대부분 영어를 쓰셔가지고
Whenever I came to the Philippines, people usually use English, I noticed.
Okay, we're gonna change that today. Okay, so maybe we can start with sandali lang, pupunta tayo dito. Miss na kita. Okay. Miss na kita.
Miss na kita. Miss na kita.
Okay, syempre the next level is mahal kita. With feeling, ha?
Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
And then for this one, maybe you can zone into one of your fans here and say, ang ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo.
Manalo ka today.
Oh my gosh, my kilig is so beautiful. You. Okay. Thank you. You did great.
네, 감사합니다.
Yes. Okay. For this next part though, I wanted some interaction between you and a fan. So I will have, somebody come up and you will respond to them in Tagalog, okay? But basically, what we're gonna do is like, we'll ask you to just maybe say a few words that you wanna say to him and then magpa-cute kayo. Like egyo, di ba? Like a show of affection, okay? How do we, we have a box. We will draw. Thank you very much. Okay, let's draw a winner. Please come on down. VIP, row E, seat 22. VIP, row E,
Sorry,
seat
pinaurong kami.
22.
Pinaurong tayo.
Do we have a winner?
Wala kami. Ay!
Oh,
Yeah.
wala. Ah, meron! Oh, come on stage!
Ate, pa dinaya mo.
We actually have a lot of segments where, the fan will get to interact because that's what he likes. He wants to really
Ate,
communicate
ticket.
and be in contact. Okay, so yay! Hello!
Selfie ka na.
Hi! I know the feeling. Oh my gosh, I know. What's your name?
Ate, kalmahan
What's your
mo.
name first? Kay.
K.
Opa!
네.
왜 예뻤어? 예뻐.
왜 예쁘냐고?
Why are you pretty?
사bi mo, why are you pretty? 왜 예뻤어? Tama? 왜? Okay, what's your egyo? What's your egyo action for him? 왜 예뻤어?
몰라.
Okay, your Tagalog word is astig.
얘기를 하고 그럼 하라고?
No. We can go with that one. Can you say that? Gigil ako!
얘기를 하고
Gigil ako! Alright. Kay, thank you so much. Thank you. Let's give it up for Kay. Everybody.
Kay.
Ow!
Ito mo ni cellphone ko. Ito yung cellphone. Selfie agad.
Oh my, okay. Winner na si Kay. Winner. Okay. Let's move on to our second. Alright.
Ate, uwi na.
From the VIP section, row A, seat 60.
Okay, tayo.
VIP, row A, seat 60.
Letter
Is it
K
you?
tayo.
Okay, come on down.
Ayaw
Come
na.
on down. Hello there. Hi. Hello. What's your name? I'm Gail. Gail. Okay, Gail. Gail.
Gay?
Yes. Oh, what's your
Gail.
name? Gail.
Gay?
Gail. Yes. Okay. What would you like to? What would you like to say to him?
안녕하세요, 사랑해요.
안녕하세요. 사랑해요.
Oh. Okay. What's the Tagalog word that we wanted to say right now? Mahal kita na.
말 좋다?
Okay na yun. kita was the perfect response. Gil, thank you so much.
Pero hindi ka nagpainit naman dyan.
Wow, and we are just getting started. Oh my goodness. Okay.
At that's ulit VIP.
Ayan, last. Actually, for the last, I wanted all of us to say something to him. Have we said mahal kita back to him?
No.
Mahal kita. Let's say mahal kita, Chu Ji-hoon, and then let's see what he has to say. Are we ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
mahal kita.
At sa prompter, grabe kayo.
Grabe kayo.
Okay, alright. You know what? I think mahal kita was the perfect response to every line anyway. So let's give it up for Chu Ji-hoon. He's so game! Love that, love that. Okay, let's move on to